For as long as I've worked here, I've seen this one seagull sitting on top of the right-hand corner of our building. I call it Sentinel Seagull because it always looks like it's on guard and ready to swoop down at any moment. It also seems to target the most expensive cars while leaving the more modest cars alone. Steven Seagull is also a popular name that our regular patients give him. It's our unofficial guard dog, which I suppose makes up for the lack of security cameras we have around here. I wouldn't mind being a bird. It might actually be nice to fly around and poop wherever I want. I could treat all of life as one big video game. Yep, I want to be a seagull.